creative people, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. Recently I got to know that we need to store some of our pens and markers in a horizontal position to prevent them drying out soon. So here is a simple upcycle idea of making horizontal pen holder. Take a cardboard and make two creases like this with 2 inches of gap in between, and the sides should be according to the size of your tissue rolls. With glue, stick the ends of cardboard like this, and with the help of cloth pins, I am securing these ends so that they stick firmly. Now let's stick cardboard to cover one side of tissue roll. Measure the size of tissue roll on a wider paper container like the Pringles container, and then cut that out with cutter. With Pringles container, one side is already closed, and for closing another piece, we can use the lid of this container. Now let's cover all these holders with some decorative paper. You can even paint them if you like. There are many other best out of waste and upcycling videos on my channel. I will link all those videos in the description box below in case you wanna check it out. I never throw my spoiled paint brushes cause they are very helpful to spread the glue evenly and for mixing paint to make dots of various sizes, etc. They can be useful in so many different ways. Now I am painting the borders black, and I will stick a black decorative paper on all flat areas. It's time to assemble all these pieces together. Place all the rolls and mark the center of these two rolls so that we can stick them in proper place after applying glue. Hold the rolls for some time after sticking. Making the marks here so that I apply the glue at right place. Let the glue dry completely and our DIY upcycled horizontal pen holder is ready to rock. You can make it as big or small depending on your requirement with as many compartments as you wish. I hope you like this idea. Please hit that like button cause your one like motivates me to create more and share it with you all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. सब्सक्राइब करने से आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा जब भी मैं नया वीडियो डालूंगी. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.